Hey travelers, Kelly here, and welcome back to The Vacation Agent. Today, we're diving into something that's been blowing up my social media feeds. These 5 travel accessories are going absolutely viral in 2025, and everyone's asking the same question. Are they actually worth the hype? Well, we just got back from a family trip, and I put these products to the test. Some of them genuinely surprised me, and others, well, let's just say the marketing might be better than the actual product. Before we jump in, just a heads up that some of the links I'll mention are affiliate links. It helps support the channel at no extra cost to you. So thank you in advance if you decide to purchase anything from the links in the description. Let's get started. First up, we have the Trtl Pillow Plus. And I'll be honest, I was pretty skeptical about this one. It doesn't look like your typical neck pillow at all. Instead of wrapping around your neck, it's designed to support your head in an upright position. The idea is to prevent that awkward airplane head bobbing we've all experienced. The good news? It's adjustable for different heights, surprisingly compact when you pack it, and completely machine washable. That last point is huge when you're traveling with kids. The not so good news? There's definitely a learning curve. It took me a couple of tries to figure out the right positioning. And if you're someone who likes to sleep leaning forward, this probably isn't for you. Here's my honest verdict. It's priced at $99 on Amazon, which is not cheap, but for long flights, especially when you've got kids sleeping on you and you need to stay somewhat alert, this thing is actually a game changer. Just be patient while you figure out how to use it properly. Next up, let's talk about something that has completely changed how our family packs: the BAGSMART Compression Packing Cubes. Now, packing cubes aren't new, but these compression ones are having a serious moment right now, and I can see why. The magic is in how they compress bulky items down to almost half their size. We color-coded them for each family member, which made everything so much easier to organize. The zippers feel really durable too, which is important when you're squeezing everything down. Here's a pro tip that saved us a lot of time. Pack all the kids' stuff in one dedicated cube. When you get to your hotel and you need to find pajamas or a specific toy quickly, you're not digging through 3 different bags. My verdict? This is a total win. It costs $31 for a set of 6 compression cubes, and I genuinely don't think I'll ever travel without these again. The space you save is incredible, and the organization factor alone makes them worth it. Now, let's talk about something that's all over TikTok right now: the Addalock portable door lock. When you're traveling with family, especially with kids, safety becomes your #1 priority. This little device adds an extra layer of security to hotel rooms and Airbnb doors. Installation is really straightforward once you get the hang of it. It works on most standard hotel and Airbnb doors, and honestly, the peace of mind it provides is incredible. There's something about knowing you have an extra layer of security that just helps you sleep better. The downside? It doesn't fit every single door type, though it works on most. And like the pillow, there's a small learning curve the first time you use it. My verdict? If you're traveling solo or with kids, this is absolutely worth the small investment. It's tiny, it's cheap at $14, and it adds a layer of comfort that's hard to put a price on. Let's talk about something we absolutely cannot travel without anymore: the Anker PowerCore portable charger. This thing kept our entire family's devices alive through 10-hour travel days, full days at theme parks, and countless sessions of Google Maps when we were trying to find restaurants. What I love about it? It has dual USB ports, so you can charge 2 devices at once. It can charge most phones 2 to 3 times before needing to be recharged itself. And it's from Anker, which in my experience makes really reliable products. The downsides? It's got some weight to it, so it's not exactly featherlight in your bag. And when it does run out, it takes a while to fully recharge. But here's my honest take. When you're dealing with kids who are having meltdowns and you desperately need your phone to work for their entertainment or for navigation or even just calling for backup, this charger becomes absolutely essential. You can find it on their official website link in the description, and it costs only $35.99 US. It's one of those things you don't realize you need until you really need it. Finally, let's talk about something we haven't actually purchased yet, but it's trending so hard I had to mention it: Away's new Kids Luggage line. Away just launched this kids collection with built-in compartments, really bright, fun colors, and all the functionality of their adult luggage, but sized perfectly for children. What looks impressive? These have real wheels and a proper compression system, not the flimsy stuff you usually see in kids' luggage. The build quality appears to match their adult line. Plus, there's a matching backpack available. The potential downsides? It's definitely pricey compared to other kids' luggage options. It will cost you $225, and right now, it's only available through Away's website. The link is in the description if you guys still want to check it out after hearing about the price tag. My verdict? If you're looking to invest in something really durable for your child that will last through multiple trips and potentially multiple kids, this looks promising. If we end up getting one, I'll definitely do a full review for you guys. So, there you have it. The 5 viral accessories in 2025 and my honest take on whether they're worth your money. The truth is, most of these products actually live up to the hype. The packing cubes and portable lock especially gave us both sanity and security while traveling, which is exactly what you need when managing a family on the road. I'm curious, which of these would you actually use on your next trip? Drop your favorite in the comments below. We love hearing about what works for different families. If this video helped you make some decisions about your travel gear, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. And if you're not subscribed yet, hit that subscribe button because we've got tons more family-tested travel tips coming your way. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Until next time, safe travels.